Mojo, and this application allows you to install sources kind of like Cydia does. Right here you see a few sources that I can tap and add, and I'll demonstrate all that here in a few seconds. And down below here I have a source section, which is all the sources I have installed. Then you also have a package section, which is where you're going to find all of the applications that you want to install. And then you have the histories, which is all the apps I've installed in the past. So all these apps, most of them you can only get with a jailbreaking for the most part. So let me go ahead and show you some of the ones I have here working on my device. Bobby Movie Box, there it is, movies and TV shows. App Cola allows you to download additional applications. You also have Down Cloud, which allows you to download a music. And I also have Movie Box, there it is. Playbox HD, also movies and TV shows. Then you have a GBA, which is emulators for playing games. Also I have XCleaner. Now XCleaner is the only application that it's not available inside Mojo, but I'll have a direct link to this one, and down below it allows you to clean junk files that are left over from applications that you delete. So it cleans all those junk files from your device. It doesn't clean anything that you don't want, like photos. It's not going to remove text messages or anything like that. Only cleans junk. But anyway, let's get to how you can install this application to get all these other apps on your device without the need of a jailbreak. Supports all iPhones, iPads, and iPod touches. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and click the link in the description. It will take you to this website here. Click install, and you're going to have to click install a few times here. So once you click install again. Then click on the build a custom profile. It's going to send you to install a profile on your device. Click install, enter your passcode. Once you enter your passcode, click install one more time, and now the certificate is installed on your device. Now let's go ahead and install the application by clicking install. Install one more time. Again, you're going to go ahead back into settings, and it's going to ask you to authorize the app. Again, go ahead and enter your passcode one more time, and click next and install. And now we've installed the application Mojo on our devices. If you go to your springboard, you'll find it right there. Launch it. Simple as that. Now, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and swipe to the right or to the left there and click start. And you're going to see here that's going to say preparing database. Go ahead and let that load. Do not interrupt it. And once it's done, you'll see all the applications that you can download. Alright, so there it is. It's done. Down here, you can set up an account if you wish to do so. You also have some featured applications you can install right then and there. But the most interesting part to me is the more packages and sources section. Right here, you can add from any of these sources. And right now, if I go to sources, I only have one, which is the default source, and gives me the standard applications under that source. So basically, very similar to Cydia. You can download all these apps from that source. But if I go to the source section again and say I want to add an emulator source, right there it is. It's going to add a source. It's going to fetch for data. Again, very similar to Cydia without a jailbreak. It's going to add even more packages or applications to the list right here. Now, to install an application, it's very, very simple. So let's say if I want App Cola. I click install, scroll down, click install one more time, and click install in the pop-up. Now it's going to attempt to install, but it's not going to install. It's going to fail. The certificate is not authorized. Just click retry and go back into settings. Then you want to go into the general, scroll down, date and time, and set that to manual. Keep hitting retry until you change the date to July 2012. Any day on July 2012. Keep hitting retry. Alright, so there it is. Any day on July 2012. Once you do that, you go back to your springboard, and there it is, installed on your device. Now you can go back into the date and time, set it back to auto, go back once, scroll down, profile and device management, click on the certificate for the application, click trust, and now the app is trusted on your device, and you can simply run it, and there it is, just as simple as that. Now you'll use this exact same process for every single application you want to install, as demonstrating at the beginning of the video. I had all those other applications running. Now there may be more than one application for each application. So for example, you might find Bobby Movie Box on one of the sources, but then you might find it on another source. So it's very important, or to me, I recommend to install all the sources available at the time. So if one of the apps doesn't work with the date trick, you can always come back and install it from a different source. And it has a great selection of applications that you could choose from. And that about brings an end to this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now that jailbreaking is getting that much harder, I know a lot of you guys are going to enjoy these free ways to install jailbreak alternatives to Cydia. If you enjoy videos like this one, don't forget to click that like button.